Hi, today we are going to create a static HTML website with AWS. Just use your access key and secret key, select server and create a website. Just in few clicks, your website will be ready. All the data will be stored to your S3 storage. Now let's begin how to do that. Log into your AWS panel, go to IAM, create a user. Now put any name on the username and click next. Then attach the policies. We need two policies for this. One is for the S3 storage and other policy we need required is CloudFront. We need full access because it will create a bucket and store your data to website. Sometimes CloudFront it's not found. You need to type exact word, I think. Still trying. Oh, there is. Now click next and you can see two permissions are there. Create users. Now user is created. Go to the user. Go to security credentials. Then create access keys. Here click on others. Now click next. And if you want to put anything, you can. Otherwise, just click on create access key. Copy these keys. These will not show again. So copy these and store to your notepad. Now paste the access key at access key and secret key on the secret key base. Select your server location. Click on create website. And your website will be live here. Please note, sometime it takes time to be live, approximately 3 to 5 minutes, because it was deploying on your CloudFront server. So after 3 to 5 minutes, it will be live. Apart from this, I will also give you the tutorial how you can manually create. And also this website is safe and secure. It doesn't store your access key and anything else. You can also delete these access key after using. So there is no issue. And just replace this HTML file in your S3 folder with your own HTML files.